Well, well, well. Look what we have here. I don't like it. Who's in there? Well, whoever you are, I can see you.
No, he can't. He can't see you. He can't see you. He don't know nothing. He don't know nothing about nobody. Yeah, he don't know nothing about nobody. Okay, Megan, get in here.
The water's still not boiling.
Go. Make a video of what is going. It's filming.
It's filming? Who's it addressed to? Who is it addressed to?
Anyone you like.
Oh. Well, I suppose I should start with someone who has moved me in enormous ways. Yes, yes. But this person who has just meant the world to me, his name is James. And James makes sweet, gentle love to me. Yes, he does. And I miss his touch. I miss his laugh. It just
Oh no.
is not the same without you. Oh.